everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making leave-in conditioner, a substitute for this. If you run out of this and you want to make your hair, you have washed your hair and you want to make it and you are run out of leave-in conditioner, you can always make this at home. So first I have my aloe vera gel here. I'm going to be using aloe vera gel. After turning my aloe vera gel, I'm going to be going in with my melted shea butter. It's melted already. I'm going to add this. Then I'll be going in with my avocado oil. Then this is glycerin. I'll also be going in with a little of it. Then this is my coconut oil that I made at home. I'll also be adding it. So if you have vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule, you can always add. But I don't have, so I'll be using just these things. So I'll just mix it together. So I'll leave this in the freezer so that it will solidify on time. I'll just leave it for a few minutes so that it will solidify to enable me whisk it. So the mixture has solidified. I just took it out from the freezer. It's time for me to whisk it so that it will mix properly. So our leave-in conditioner is ready and it's time for me to package. So you can use this every day and then concentrate on your tips, because you know how the tips can tangle. So concentrate on your tips. Can you see the goodness? Just imagine this in your hair. So use this every day of the week to keep your hair moisturized and soft all the time. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.